Hello students. Now we'll talk about inquiry letters. Inquiry letters are also formal letters. So the format of the letter will be same as the format or layout of order placement letter. Inquiries can be made for any educational, vocational courses, regarding tour, regarding hotels or accommodations. As a 10th class students, you may be asked to write a letter to inquire about any educational tour, educational or vocational courses, or about hotel facilities for educational trip, etc. There are certain points to be kept in mind. Let us discuss these certain points or value points. First is reference number. If a firm, company or organization is writing, you must write reference number. But no reference number is required if it is a personal letter. Second, information should be in points. Next, ask for prospectus or brochure. Now students, let us understand this with the help of an example letter. You are Suhani Rohit of Nitya Public School, New Delhi. You have recently appeared in 10th class examinations and waiting for your result. Write a letter to the director, YWCA, New Delhi, seeking information about the short-term courses offered by their institution. Now, let's start the letter. Now, since it is a personal letter, as you are writing Suhani or Rohit, you are not writing on behalf of your institution, so here no reference number will be required. So you will directly write your own address, that is the sender address. Then you leave a line, then date, again leave a line. Now receiver address will be there, leave a line. After that, salutation, dear sir or ma'am. Then subject, inquiry about short-term courses, and you leave a line. Now, it is the content of the letter. This is in reference to your advertisement published in the Times of India dated 3rd April 2020 regarding short-term courses offered by your institute. As I have just appeared for my 10th examination, I wish to pursue a short-term course to enhance my skills. Kindly send me the following details regarding the courses: eligibility criteria, duration of the course, fee structure, batch size, timings, transport facilities. Please send the required information along with the prospectus at the above mentioned address. With regards, yours faithfully, Suhani. I hope students you have understood the format of this inquiry letter, and I hope this video is really helpful to you. Thank you.